no idea how meaningful this was for me, because I'm in a place where it's so intense all over the world that it's something I've never experienced before. And there's no way I can get this done in this period of time, and you guys are amazing. I'll never forget this.
I appreciate that. Yeah, same here.
Yeah, it's like no joke. It's like really, really, really cool. So that person who was here, saw me talk to all day, was from ESPN.
Mm-hmm.
He said he's never seen anything like this. He came up here because he thought it was fake. He couldn't believe that people would come out into the community and like rally like this. And they're like, this doesn't happen. I go, no, these are amazing people in this community. And he thought it was all fake until he hung out here for 4 days.
I
and
actually
like,
saw it, yeah.
like, this is real. And I
it.
said, wait, there's another group coming out today.
Yeah.
And he just couldn't believe it. And so his mind's like totally blown.
Wow.
And the story he was going to write is completely rewritten.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So
we're pretty hard workers at Empire State College.
now,
Big deal, pretty much.
you can stand upon my commitment to, which means now and forever,